Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're covering Quantumscape stock, QS ticker symbol. And for the day, it is down 14%. Pretty big down day so far. Market is still open and it's still trading at $34, $35 level. And the main reason why it gapped down in the morning here is a short report. And according to Scorpion Capital, this stock is pretty much fraud. So they claim that its research indicated the company is no different than other recently exposed SPAC promotions and EV frauds. And they also allege that many of the claims that the company has made, such as like fast charging to 80% in under 15 minutes, are false. And also, looks like they tried to reach the Quantumscape, but they didn't respond to the report. And when these kind of reports come out, I mean, they must have some reason. They can't just randomly go out and attack stocks like this, because the company's valuation before this drop, it was 18 billion, okay? And that's a pretty big market capitalization. And also at the moment, even right here, 13 billion. That's pretty big market cap. So before I will go to technicals, I'm gonna go through technicals and indicators, what to watch from here. But I have been researching myself. Couple days ago, I was looking at the stocks, particularly comparing it to Quantumscape. And if you're not familiar with this name, they don't make batteries yet, okay? And they have signed contracts with Volkswagen and others, and their first production, I think, should take place somewhere in the next 2 years or something like that. But before that, if we zoom out to yearly chart, this stock was valued very, very big. And my research was literally a couple of sessions ago. I was looking at LG. LG makes a lot of electronics. Solid company, has been out there and they build a lot of stuff, right? And LG's market capitalization, and they were #1 battery producer, and their market capitalization was around like 25 billion or so. And I was very, very shocked seeing that this company was valued as much as that company, which has been out there for such a long time, and valued at the same price, pretty much valuation, without doing anything yet. Only research, and pretty much yeah, that's out there. You can do more due diligence yourself. I'm not going to dive too deep into it, but we'll take a look at the chart and we'll take a look at the option market. So these were the levels I was watching for this stock, okay? So I was watching as a support level this $40 level, and also as a resistance I was watching this 51, and then up here 61, okay? And since this stock slipped below this support level right here, I'm gonna be watching now from here $30 level as a support. This low is from here back in November when this stock took off. It was around 22-ish, and with this gap came back down, tested this 28, 29 apparently. So, but we're gonna watch this $30 psychological level. And imagine there are a lot of people underwater who have bought at these levels. I'm not even talking about people who bought at 132. So that's why emotions, I think, is still fresh, especially for people who have come in at these levels. And I wouldn't try to long this name at this point. And I wouldn't even try to short this name at this point, because the risk reward from here, the only time I would short this stock, if it tries to bounce, maybe go to 40, that would be the level. But look at the volume as well. 42 million shares traded so far. And it's hard to borrow to short, by the way. But if you happen to trade with options, let's take a look at options. Even if you want to try to buy puts, stock is implying very big move already. So look at the implied volatility, 170% this week, next week 158. So by next week it's implying up or down $7. Okay, so that's a big move. And also let's take a look at the volume, what's going on with, I bet there are a lot of people buying puts. Yes, let's take a look. 82,000 calls, 105,000 puts. That's the volume. Let's see what people are buying. I bet there's a lot of short terms, and let's see if people are going very aggressive on this one. So right from the open, looks like earlier these puts came in on a weekly's 42 put, 40 put in the money for May, April 30th puts, April 30th $35 put. There's also May 21st $55 call as well, but I do believe this could be selling covered call. Pretty much somebody who owns shares, they're just hedging. They just want to capture that premium while stock is falling. So, and it came in earlier in the morning as well. Ever since, it has dropped a lot. Earlier it tried to bounce in the morning. Looks like that's when those orders came in. Like, it stock pretty much after gap down, it tried to bounce. I think when this stock was staying above VWAP, that's when a lot of orders came in. So yeah, option market, definitely there's a lot of covered call selling, and there's a lot of short-term put buying. Most of the puts are for April, very short term. And by the end of next week, this stock is implying either up $7 or down $7. So, but from here, for me, let's take a look at also MACD, and then we'll wrap from there. So if we take a look at the MACD, yep, it is coming down. The momentum is to the downside, okay? And momentum was to the downside back here. So this was bearish crossover right here, okay? So MACD was indicating bearish selling back there ever since it hasn't crossed above. So more selling may be coming, because if we take a look at the RSI, yeah, it is getting to that oversold territory, but this stock can bounce and then resume the selling again. So that's why I wouldn't be focused on one indicator to go long or short, but I would also be very careful. And also, this video is not a recommendation for you to sell your stock or buy this stock. Do your homework. This report is a significant report, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.